Hello and welcome to the MStar training session to enter the details of various events. When we say events, we mean that any function or an occasion which is being celebrated and held at the school for students' participation. These could be basically the extracurricular activities and any other functions or events that are organized in the school or outside the school. Or we can even enter the details of the events which are held by other schools, whereas our school students have participated or won in the event. So in this session, we will see to enter the master details of events. Then once we have entered these events, we can enter the details of the students who have participated or won some awards against events. So this activity is a prerequisite to enter the student participation or awards details. So let us see how to enter the events details in the application. We are in the admission module already and we click on the tab activities. Select the screen events and awards. As we select, the screen events and awards opens. In the section above, which is the section events, we enter the master details of the events, and in the section below we will enter the student participation and awards details. This will be covered in a separate session. First, let us enter few events. The first field is event date, where we enter the date on which the event or the function had held. This can be a future date as well, because generally the functions and the events which are going to be held in the school are fixed or scheduled tentatively at the start of the academic year. So at the start of the academic year only, we can start entering the events details. We have entered the date in the event date field. In the next field, event name, we have to enter the name of the function. In this field, we can enter both text and numbers, and maximum 90 characters can be entered in this field. So after entering the event name, let us select the venue type. In this, we see three options: none, internal, external. Internal means that the event which we are entering is being held within the premises of the school. External means that it has happened or it will be held outside the premises of the school. If we select internal, then in the next field venue name, we have to select the facility in which the event has occurred or will be held. For example, after we have selected internal as a venue type, we click on the button and a new window venue name appears. In this, it shows us the list of all the facilities, that is, the rooms or any other facility which has been defined in the configuration module for the school. So we have to double click on the venue name and it appears in the field venue name. In case the event is being held outside the school, then in the venue type we will select external. As we select external, the venue name becomes enterable field and we can enter the name of the venue. In this, we can enter both text and numbers, and 90 characters maximum can be entered. Now in the next field we have guest of honor. This is the name of the guest for the event. This is an optional field and if required we can enter, otherwise this can be left blank. After entering these fields, click on the button add and the event details gets added in the grid below. Click on the save button to save the event details and click OK on the data saving confirmation message. If we now click on the clear button, we will see that our event has been saved and shows on the screen. Similarly, let us again enter another event of a future date. Entering the name of the event, selecting the venue type and entering the name of the event, and entering the guest of honor. Click on the add button to add this event and click on the save button to save the event. Repeat these steps to enter more events of the school. Let us also see how to delete an event once it has been entered. For this, we double click on the event row and the details of the event appears in the respective fields. After this, we click on the button delete, which is available next to the grid, and we click yes on the confirmation message for deletion. The row gets highlighted in a different color and click on the button save to save the deletion activity. Click OK on the confirmation message and click on the clear button to clear the screen and refresh it. So now we see that the deleted row no more appears on the main screen. So repeat these steps to enter more events of the school as required. Click on the exit button to exit from the screen and we come on the main page again. So this is the steps for entry of events, and we will have a separate session to enter the student participation against specific events of the school. Thank you for watching this video.